Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Here we are again at Spot J, and it's as flat as a tack this morning. I sort of imagined it would be. The swell trend has been just going down and down. So today might be snorkeling and fishing day. I was tempted to go local this morning, but it was blowing northeast or northerly at Spot X according to the weather. Now there might have been a wave there, but it's a Saturday morning, it's going to be crowded. I was hoping it was going to be northwest. If it had been northwest I would have gone there for sure, but yeah, here we are back here again, so we might do further exploring yet. So stick around, you never know what might develop. It's a beautiful morning. As you can see, there's virtually no surge on these rocks. Now I've brought with me, that's right, I brought the cooler, I brought a knife, I brought all the gear. And you can guarantee, because this is how life works, that now that I've got all the gear that I need, I won't catch anything. But I'm going to have a go anyway. I've got a couple of new lures, and the good thing about spinning with lures is it's very active. You're constantly doing something, so you don't get bored. Plus, I've kept the frames from those fish that I caught yesterday. I could probably put a sinker on and use a couple of pieces of fish for bait and see if I can catch something on the bottom. So yeah, let's see what we can get. Well, it's a beautiful morning, but the water looks even dirtier than yesterday. I've had about 20 casts, haven't had a hit. I've put on a bigger lure this time, but yeah, it's not looking real flash at the moment. Very disappointing. I was hoping that the water would clear up so I could have a snorkel. I'm really keen for that, but anyway, all we can do is keep going. Again, a change of lures has yielded results. Not sure what this is. It's not very big. Oh, he's running. Oh, I think it's a tailor. I think it's a tailor. They jump and throw the hooks. They're notorious for it. Now I've got a double line here, so this doesn't look very big, but I think that's what it is. Change of lure. How amazing is that? Oh, it's not too bad. Oh, he's a bit bigger than the one yesterday. Woo! Alright, I was starting to have my doubts. So I've had about 20 or 30 casts, not even a look. And that was the same lure I was using yesterday, which was pretty successful. Now, it would probably be a good idea to keep it alive in the rock pool, but these guys have got such sharp teeth. They're called chopper tailor, these small ones, because they chop everything to pieces. We've got something else, I think. It's not very big, this. Oh no, it's a the much prized weed fish. Fooled. We've hooked something big. Holy moly. I think this is a salmon. Oh, it is. Look at it. Oh, he's dropped off. He threw the hook. That was a good sized fish too. Woo! It took some line. It just screamed off. Whoa! That was exciting. Well, I've changed to another lure. I've already tried a surface lure, that didn't do any good. This one is a green one. The other one that caught the fish was the red one, so we'll give this a whirl and yeah, see what we can get. Love to have seen how big that salmon was though. That was a big fish, that one, so can only try. And we've hooked something else, viewers. And this is on the yellow lure. Oh, here he is. It's another small tailer, I think. Oh. Oh, and he's jumped off. Curses. Haha, well that's two that have jumped off the hooks this morning. Well friends, I give up. I haven't had another hit. I've tried a couple of different lures. That water's really dirty. I have hooked that tailor and I lost that, and I hooked that big salmon and I lost that, but we're not going home empty-handed. I have got one little tailor to take home to eat, so